no tienes cervezas, eres idiota. It's 6:15 in the morning. We're in Munich, on the way to Munich airport, then off to Malaga, and then we take a car to Seville. And now it's time for coffee. It's like going to work. So we're at the airport now, flying to Malaga soon, and I can tell you now what happened yesterday. We were on the Autobahn, the motorway down to Munich, and we had to brake because someone in front of us, two cars in front of us, just came from the left lane to the middle, and the one in front of us had to stop. We managed to stop just in time, but the one behind us crashed into our car. We were quite lucky there. The car was not heavily damaged. It was really loud, the crash. I thought, wow, this could have been it. It's just a split second. We could have been dead or heavily injured, but we're here, flying to Malaga now, so we were lucky. I mean, the car is damaged and has to be repaired, but well, my main point here is safety distance while driving. It always drives me crazy when I'm driving with someone and he's so close behind the one in front of you. So it's basically trusting that nothing's going to happen. There's no way you could have avoided this crash if you would have been like really, really close to the car in front of us. You can trust yourself, but you can't trust everyone else on the road. So yeah, we're lucky here now. Knock on wood, we're gonna fly to Spain and we're not injured or anything like that. This is it. Boarding. So loud, so many kids screaming. And this is our car for the week. I actually don't really know what it is. It's an Opel. I wish I had brought my sunglasses. I forgot them again. And it is super sunny. And now we're off to Seville, Andalusia, flamenco. Vamos a Sevilla. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? That's the easiest navigation system I've ever seen. There's like nothing around, a lot of rocks and a lot of nothing. Dos cervezas, no, tres cervezas, por favor, a mi casa. No tienes cervezas, eres idiota. Aparcamiento, por favor. Sí. And we just checked into our Airbnb in Sevilla. It looks quite nice. So yeah, got the kitchen, the nice living room, and Tina checking out where we're gonna go.
Hey!
We're gonna have tapas tonight, I guess, but because there's nothing else than tapas here. Oh yes, I can't resist. Hojas de sol. So as it turns out, we actually have orange trees growing just outside here. Nice. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Christmas lights are on. Nice one. I didn't know that you have this here in Spain. I mean, Bea was quite surprised that we had bicycle lanes. There's definitely not a lack of tapas places here. We're gonna find something, pretty sure. But we're heading to the river first. Haven't been there. And then tapas and cervezas. Esta plaza es muy bonita. Full of fat, but damn good. That's it, we had some tapas and cervezas. And we're heading back now. Tomorrow's gonna be the real day. Now we're gonna chill out, go to bed soon. Tired. Tomorrow, sightseeing day.